We're going to make a pom-pom playground today, and we're going to make it out of all different sizes and shapes of construction paper that you're going to fold and bend in different ways to make a playground for your pom-pom friend. You can see mine sitting right next to me watching me build my playground. So the first thing I did is I took a long rectangular piece of paper and I folded it in half, and then I'm just folding the sides up and putting a little glue on them, and those are going to sit on the ground. So see those little flaps I made? I'm just going to stick those to the ground to glue my construction paper piece on. Now this shape, kind of like a big A-frame house, could either be a slide or a tunnel, or it could be even a little playhouse for your pom-pom. Oh, there he goes, he rolled right down. I'm going to make a little mud puddle for him to fall into at one end. I'm going to just cut out a brown piece of paper and make sure your pieces are really nice and glued on and press them down so they stick. So maybe I'm going to try and make a slide in a different way by bending a piece instead of folding it, of red. And I'm going to make a little staircase to go up to this one. So to make the staircase, you're going to fold your paper back and forth, an accordion fold, kind of like you're making a paper fan. I can help you with this if you need help. And you're going to glue one end of that accordion, that staircase, to the ground and one to the top of your slide. So see, that last stair is going to sit right on the ground, so I'm going to add some glue to just that last stair. Stick it on the ground. Good. And you might want to wait for a minute for that to dry, or you could carefully glue your slide on. And so my slide is glued on the other end. Oh, whoops, came undone. So I might want to wait a minute before I attach that slide to the ground and let that top piece dry. Okay, so we're going to wait on that. Now, what other shapes do I have? I have this long skinny rectangle. Thinking that might be a nice pathway through the middle of my playground. Really be creative. Think of what interesting designs you could do. I've got these square pieces. I'm thinking maybe I will make a hopscotch board out of that for my pom-pom to hop down. So I'll have one big jump and two little jumps. And maybe two rectangular long jumps after that. Glue it and stick it, and that's a really cute little hopscotch board. Nice. Now, what else can I add for my pom-pom to play on? Maybe a tunnel. Oh, here he's going up the stairs. And I'm going to glue on my slide. Try and make that work. So you're going to have to move things around a little, play with them until they hold the way you want them to. So don't get frustrated, because it's just going to take a little bit of practice and a little bit of creativity, and you might need some help too, and that's fine. Oh, that's a great slide for my pom-pom. Okay, what other things does this playground need? Maybe a tunnel. So for a tunnel, I'm going to take a big piece of construction paper, and I'm going to loop it into a roll. So the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to add a little glue to one side of my construction paper, and I'm going to roll it on up and glue the other side to the side that I put glue on. And now I've got a tube, and I'm going to attach that to the ground by putting a little glue on the ground and sticking my tube right on it. Make sure you press it down. Alright, be creative and have fun.